In this video, I'll guide you through how to change or upgrade the PHP version in Hostinger. Whether you're updating for better performance, improved security, or to meet the requirements of a new plugin or application, I'll walk you through each step so you can make the switch with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, the place you want to go is hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel where you manage all aspects of your hosting. If you're not already on hPanel, just head to it from your account homepage so you can access your website settings. Now that you're in hPanel, look for the Websites tab at the top of the page. This section lists all the websites connected to your hosting plan. Find the domain where you want to change the PHP version. On the right side of that domain's row, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click Manage to open the control panel specifically for that website. You should now see a sidebar on the left with different sections for managing your site. In that left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find the section called Advanced. This is where Hostinger keeps more technical options. Click on Advanced and then select PHP Configuration. This is the area where you can view and change the PHP version that your website is using. Once you're in the PHP configuration page, you'll see a list of available PHP versions that Hostinger currently supports. This might include versions like PHP 8.2, PHP 8.3, or the latest versions such as PHP 8.4. Newer versions generally offer better performance, improved security, and support for the latest features, but it's always a good idea to make sure your website theme, plugins, or applications are compatible with the version you're choosing. Take a moment to review the available versions and pick the one that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, going with a recent stable version is usually a safe choice. When you've decided, click on the version you want to use. This tells Hostinger that you'd like your website to run on that specific PHP version from now on. After you've selected your preferred PHP version, look for the update button on the page and click it. This is the action that actually requests the change. Hostinger won't apply the change immediately without confirming, so you don't have to worry if you clicked the wrong version by mistake. Once you hit update, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is there to double check that you really want to switch your PHP version, since it can affect how your site behaves. Read the message, and if everything looks correct, click confirm to apply the new PHP version. Hostinger will then process the change, and within a short time, your website will start running on the new version. After the update, it's a good idea to visit your website in a browser and click through a few pages to make sure everything is working smoothly. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the PHP configuration page and switch back to a previous version. And that's it. You've successfully changed or upgraded your PHP version in Hostinger using hPanel.